I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me.
Let's talk a little bit about this Ned rig here. Got some others in my PC Fun tackle bag, but what we're gonna do, what this does is, this looks like a little crayfish, and this mushroom head tends to keep the bait standing straight up. So we're gonna drag it along these rocks here. It's the hottest part of the freaking day. We're gonna see if we can pick up some smallies in this hot creek day. It's really hot today. Got some shade here. Oh, there's a bite already. Yep. Small mouth. Oh, no, don't want that to happen to you. Look how small that guy is. Let's get him back in the water. Sorry, pal. Is that a walleye? Trout. It's a freaking trout on a Ned rig. You kidding me? Dude, it's so hot out here today. How did this trout eat this Ned rig? Are you kidding me? Hang on, buddy. What? There he goes. Look, there he is. Trout on a Ned rig. Unbelievable. It's like 90 something degrees too. Well, back at the creek, it is, let's get a time stamp here. It is 5:43 and it is 90. Hopefully you guys maybe could see that. 93 degrees. 93 degrees in Pennsylvania. It's been a hot one. I'm hoping maybe some of these fish are going to be a little more aggressive. These creek fish are different than most places, so like places like this, like with some running water and some running water. Oh, there's a deer right there. One of those fawns that's been around. But yeah, I'm going back to my roots here. This is what I used to do on a daily basis. Just gonna throw this little popper, see if anybody wants to come and play. I was looking at Rapalas today. Went to Field and Stream. You guys seen that earlier in the video. I'm not paying $12 for a small popper. And this guy's got some walk the dog type action too. I'm sorry, but it's not gonna happen. Not for a little while. I like the action of this popper, and it's $2. I'm wearing waders, but it still feels really good. I was actually really shocked I caught that trout earlier when I did. To be honest with you, I kind of figured that these trout would maybe move out of the stream. Instead of staying in it when it's like 92 degrees. Okay, right now, this has all shade, except for further up there. And I'm hoping that these fish are gonna be all sitting in the shade. I'm running 6-pound test, Suffix, PC Fun SL20, Destroyer Reel. Just open one of those real. Yup, that's a giant. That is a giant. Giant. Oh my God. Please get in here. This just got real interesting. He's got one hook in him too. $2 popper, man. Please get it. Oh, he's got 2 hooks in him now. No, he doesn't. Okay. Play him smart. I'm not kidding when I say this is a giant. I'm not kidding you. I promise you. Okay, hold on, buddy. I just don't want him shaking the hook into my hand, guys. That's the thing. Please get here. Yes! Oh my God! Oh my God! Yes! Are you kidding me? That's a freaking stud, dude. Oh my God. Okay. First off, let's get this popper off. There's so much happening right now. Secondly, he's got a crayfish down his throat. Lastly, he come up and slurped the topwater. Oh my God. All right, I need to calm down right now, because when I get like this, I can't dude, that's a 3-pound smallie. I'm not kidding you. And it is exhaustingly hot right now, so I have to try to get these hooks out of his mouth right now. I'm holding on for dear life with him. I'm just gonna keep him in the water. It's a lot cooler. Let me take this GoPro off. I mean, a freaking giant, guys. It's back in the water. I'm trying to keep this fish alive. Camera. All right, release on this fish. Look at the crayfish down his throat. Oh my gosh. He's biting me. He's ready to go. Look at this. Look at this. Look how I'm holding this fish. He's big and it's hot. There he goes. Let's go, guys. Let's go. So here's the popper that I'm using right now. It's a little, I don't even know the name brand of this. I'm still shaking. It's like a little sexy shad type deal with an orange beak. Oh, I think he came out of those rocks right there and just had to eat it. That was insane. And I could tell it was a big one just the way he hit. I'm not even kidding you, I could just tell. Because it wasn't like an overwhelming bite. It was a slurp and it just sounded like something, I can't explain it. That's why I love topwater fishing. I mean, today has been the hottest that it's been in a long time. I know it's nothing compared to some of you other guys with your 100 degrees in Arizona and Texas and California and all that, but it's 92 degrees here and the humidity is just god awful. Get out of the sun for a second. Get a drink of water, my golly. Try this little Ned rig dealio. Dude, there was like how many fish in this hole one day? Oh, he had it too. Felt like a good bite too. Just couldn't pick up the slack fast enough. Gotta get it right in the money. Right in the money. That's what I thought it was. Well, multi-species rock bass. Get quite a few of those in here sometimes. Haven't seen many of them lately, but Ned rig, baby, walleye. I knew I was gonna get a walleye. Now I'm catching every other species but a smallmouth with the Ned rig. Oh, this water feels so good. I might actually go for a swim, ladies and gentlemen. Something big. Something big. Is this sheephead? Smallmouth. Okay. Wow, he is fighting. It's a good one, that's why. Oh, I got him underneath the head. How did that happen? How'd this happen, buddy? Hang on, my friend. Hey, hey. Hey. That's a nice fish. There you go. First smallie off the Ned rig, and he's a pretty one. Yep, got some pinchers hanging out of his throat. Man, look at these. Look at all these little leeches. Alright. Nice chunky fish. There he goes. Ah, finally. Walleye. Walleye, I love these things, man. Alright. He's spicy. But another fish off the Ned. Alright guys, well, we're pretty much done. That $2 popper came in so clutch in that first hole. The Ned rig, I caught some off the Ned rig finally. Walleye, trout, smallmouth. So the Ned rig is a great little fascinating lure. I just broke one off. Too deep a hole, and I'm not going swimming with all the stuff in my pockets. But look, when I'm going to these creeks and stuff like this, PC Fun has this little bag, this little tackle bag. It's slinging around your shoulder, just like that. And it's lightweight, and it comes with a whole bunch of straps, nooks and crannies everywhere in the bag, a place for you to hold your water. So look, go to pcfun.com, use this code Jake15 off your next order on the website on pcfun.com, and you guys are going to get 15% off, even if it's just a reel, if it's line, whatever it is, whatever's on there, you guys are going to get 15% off. And also, check out screwylouielures.com. Use code Jake2018 for all your soft plastic needs and for all your jig needs, buzz baits, spinner baits. I got it all. Check it out, guys. But look, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos and everything lately, and like consistently watching it. And I hope this video today, if I get it uploaded tonight, is give you a little bit of confidence today to go out. It doesn't matter how much the popper costs, it's just how you use it. And if you can catch fish with it, I ain't gonna complain about a $2 popper challenge, you know what I mean? I'm not gonna do that. So alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the little notification bell up in the top right next to the subscribe button so you are notified every single time that I upload, and so you guys can see the video first. Thanks guys for watching. I'll see you guys later. It's hot.